Today we will share another new indicator and we will share how to use this indicator in today's video. So please watch this video carefully for 5 minutes and watch without skipping this video, because every moment in this video is important to understand this indicator. Anyway, the name of the indicator that we will share today is called CCI. Maybe many people have heard the name of this indicator. It's a free indicator, so no worry, you will get it very easily. So today we will share first how to analyze with the help of this indicator, how to find the entry zone, and we will share a small technique to set up SLNTP by following this indicator. So watch the video till the end, and I am an official member of ForexBD. I hope you all are well. CCI means Commodity Channel Index. This indicator was created by a technical analyst named Donald Lambert and was created specially for the commodity market. But you can use this indicator anywhere, forex, metal or cryptocurrency. It is suitable everywhere. So today we will share this topic so that you can get the whole idea about this indicator. However, first we will discuss how to do this analysis. First, we need to set up this indicator for analysis. How to set up this indicator? The system for setting up this indicator is very easy in every place. For this, first go to the indicator option. There you will see a search option. Then click by typing CCI. This indicator will come in front of you. Then once you click on it, this indicator will be set up in your chart. Very easy. Hopefully everyone can do this. So after setting up this indicator, our first work is done. Then we have to make a small setting. What's that setting? Stay tuned for more details. When you take the mouse point on this indicator name, then you can see a setting icon. So you have to click there. Clicking there will bring up a new page for setting. Then we have to do some setting from here. Here you have to come style option. Here you can see there are two options. One is upper band and the other one is lower band. So here you can see one option is 100 and the another option is minus 100. So our job is to convert these two into 200. That means one will be 200 and the other one will be minus 200. That is minus 100 will be minus 200 and 100 will be 200. So convert these two. So after setuping, click on OK. Then this indicator will be set up automatically. So our work is done. Now this time for analysis. If you take a closer look at the indicator, you will see that it has two bands on either side. The upper one is the upper band and its period is 200, which we set up before, and the lower one is lower band and its period is minus 200. You must remember that we set up this. However, now our work is to do analysis. So how to do analysis? If you look at the market in terms of indicator, you will see that when the market is going uptrend, the CCI indicator is going uptrend. That is, the indicator is giving us a signal that the market is going uptrend. Again, when this indicator start to turn from the top to bottom, then the market start to go downtrend. So I hope you can understand this indicator will give you the idea about the market's trend. This means that you can use this indicator to get an accurate idea of when the market will go uptrend or when the market will go to downtrend. Notice this issue a little better. After setting this indicator, we make a setting. That is, we have changed the period of upper band and lower band. So of course, keep this in your mind. Then when you set up this indicator, then change it. As you could see, here you can see in the indicator there is written 200 and below there is written minus 200. So you may remember that we have set up these two. So the way you enter from here is when the market goes down and when the zigzag line, that means CCI line in the indicator, touch the lower band below, you wait, and when it start to go up, you will take buy entry. I am saying again, this is called CCI line. So when this line come to down and touch the lower band, you will wait. But when this line start to go uptrend again, then you will take buy entry. As you can see here, this CCI line touch the lower band and then turn up again. And we can see in the market, this line touch the lower band and goes up, and the market also goes up. So if you follow this way, you can bring out the profit from the market. So when the CCI line touch the lower band, you don't take entry, you will wait. And when the CCI line turn back and start to go up, then you will take buy entry. So this indicator very helpful, you will get good support. So far we have shown how to take buy entry. In the same way you can take sell entry. For this we have to follow a little bit differently. For example, we would take buy entry when this CCI line touch the lower band and goes up. But now this time when you see CCI line go up and touch the upper band, then you have to wait. Whenever it turn and start moving downtrend, you will get a sell signal and you can take sell entry if you want. You can see such a placement on screen. In the indicator you can see that the CCI line touch the upper band, but it turn and go downtrend again. And we can see in the market also went down. So there have so many placement where you can see when the CCI line goes down, the market also goes down, and when the CCI line goes up, the market also goes up. But for this you have to follow upper band and lower band. When the CCI line touch the upper band, you will not take any entry. But when the CCI line turn and goes downtrend, then you will take sell entry. And you can see there have huge placement where CCI line goes down, the market also gone down. So this is a huge beneficial indicator, you can easily master it. So a special aspect of this indicator is that it allows you to determine the TP. So we also shared this issue, but I have a request that if you don't subscribe to ForexBD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So how to set up? For this, the best way is to follow the CCI line. So how? Suppose you have taken an entry by following this indicator, and you must remember the system of taking entry by following this indicator. This means that when the CCI line continue to moving upward by touching the lower band, we will take a buy entry. So after taking the entry, when you see that CCI line touch the upper band after rising, then you can take TP to that point. That means after you taking buy entry, the market will go uptrend, and when it touch the upper band, you have to close the entry, because CCI line touch the upper band. Now anytime it can turn and came back. That's why TP should be taken till upper band, and when you take sell entry, TP should be taken till lower band. So this is a big support for you. By following this indicator, you can also take TP. So I hope you can understand. And you can set up SL by following backpoint, as we always say. And definitely follow 1:3 profit ratio, which will allow you to recover your 3 loss in one entry. So this is our today's video. Hopefully you can understand. But before finishing the video, let's take a look this indicator shortly. So the way you enter from here is when the market goes down and when the zigzag line, that means CCI line in the indicator, touch the lower band below, you wait, and when it start to go up, you will take buy entry. I am saying again, this is called CCI line. So when this line come to down and touch the lower band, you will wait. But when this line start to go uptrend again, then you will take buy entry. As you can see here, this CCI line touch the lower band and then turn up again. And we can see in the market, this line touch the lower band and goes up, and the market also goes up. So if you follow this way, you can bring out the profit from the market. So when the CCI line touch the lower band, you don't take entry, you will wait. And when the CCI line turn back and start to go up, then you will take buy entry. So this indicator very helpful, you will get good support. So far we have shown how to take buy entry. In the same way you can take sell entry. Lastly, it doesn't matter where you're creating your account. When you create your account, obviously don't forget to use the ForexBD's link. If you use ForexBD's link, then you will get numerous benefit. Your account will always be protected. You can use your account with zero spread. You can verify your account with just an ID card, and you can verify your account without deposit in payment gateway. So don't waste time. Do your account under ForexBD's link. So before finishing the video, a humble request to you. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a like and leave a comment in the comment box. And if you want to know any topic about Forex, don't forget to comment in the comment box. ForexBD obviously by your side 24 hours. So inspire us by liking and leave a comment for your desired information. And don't forget to subscribe so that we can stand by your side. And if we get your support, obviously we will help you whenever you need.